Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Donald. On the application of DeepSeek, you will click on settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of DeepSeek and you can click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about DeepSeek. If you find update, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for